Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Travelex Insurance Services. Review my usage experience. Travelex Insurance Services Review My Usage Experience offers travel insurance plans. Its main purpose is to provide travelers with protection against unforeseen events like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. The target audience is anyone traveling domestically or internationally who wants peace of mind knowing they're covered in case of unexpected issues. Key features likely include various coverage levels and customizable options. Their website provides details on specific plan offerings. Travelex Insurance Services positions itself as a provider of comprehensive and reliable travel insurance. Their website highlights various coverage options and pricing structures. While specific pricing isn't readily available without a quote, they emphasize transparency and the absence of hidden fees. They seem to compete on the breadth of their coverage and the simplicity of their claims process. Availability is worldwide, as their services cater to international travelers. You can check their website for specific plan details and pricing based on your trip details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Travelex Insurance Services. I recently used their services for a 2-week trip to Italy. Getting started was straightforward. I simply filled out an online form with my trip details and personal information. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. I was able to easily compare different plans and choose the one that best suited my needs and budget. The entire process, from selecting a plan to receiving my policy documents, took less than 15 minutes. I found the policy document easy to understand, which is not always the case with insurance policies. While I didn't need to file a claim during my trip, I did have a quick question about my coverage for a specific activity. Their support responded within a day via email, answering my question clearly and thoroughly. I was really impressed by how intuitive the website was and the speed of their email response. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, but I had to access my policy details via my computer. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Travelex Insurance Services. Their straightforward process, clear explanations, and responsive customer support made me feel confident and well protected during my travels. That's my overview of Travelex Insurance Services Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.